CaroWhite cream is one of the fastest lightening body cream so far in the market or in Africa, and it is one of the fastest whitening or lightening cream in Africa. This cream lightens the skin, it whitens the skin, it brightens the skin, and sometimes it clears spots on the skin. In this video, I'm coming to share my honest review on this cream. I'll share with you guys some few ingredients that I use to formulate this cream. I'll share with you guys who should use this cream and who should not use this cream. I'll share with you guys the roles it plays on the skin and also how you can use it properly to achieve the exact results that you want. And I'll also go ahead and share with you guys the side effects of using this cream. Okay, this cream is an Abidjan product, one of the fastest whitening body cream from Abidjan. So if you are the type who loves to whiten the skin within 1 week to 2 weeks, then this video is for you. Someone recommended this cream to me back then, but then it came to the system freshly. This product has been there for a very long time. Our grandmothers used it, our parents used it, and we have also come to meet it. So this cream is formulated for people who want to whiten their skin, and it's recommended for a normal skin people, it's recommended for a dry skin people, it's recommended for a combination skin people, and also sometimes a sensitive skin people, but then it's not recommended for an oily skin person. Let me break it down here with those with sensitive skin. Because of the ingredients that I use to formulate this cream, such as kojic acid, citric acid, vitamin C, hydroquine, a carrot extract, and other strong whitening ingredients. Sometimes if you are a sensitive skin person and you use this cream, you end up facing certain challenges such as white dots on the skin, itches on the skin, irritations on the skin, and sometimes it gives you dark knuckles. Okay, but then there is a better way to use this cream that you will not even face any challenges. So let me come to the side of normal skin people. A normal skin person can use this cream to whiten the skin or to lighten the skin. Okay, but then you need to be careful when using it. You have to make sure that you use it mostly in the evening, or sometimes you mix it with a very nice oil like baby oil, Johnson oil, argan oil, vitamin E oil, bio oil, recovery oil, or any other mild oil to limit the hydroquine inside, okay, for you to achieve the exact results that you want. And if you are a dry skin person and you want to use CaroWhite cream to lighten your skin, make sure that the quantity of the oil you are adding to the cream should be enough so that it can help the skin to nourish, it can help the skin to moisturize. Let's see how the cream looks like in the container. And this is how this CaroWhite cream is. It comes in a bigger size and it comes in a smaller size. And do not forget, it comes in the lotion as well. It comes with the oil, it comes with the soap, and I think it has a shower gel as well. So if you want to grab the whole set like this one to whiten your skin, make sure you get the shower gel as part of it so that you can use it to achieve the results that you want. The roles it plays on the skin is that it gives you a very nice whitening skin tone. Okay, it brightens the skin, it makes the skin very smooth, it makes the skin very soft, it's lightening the skin. And sometimes when you use it properly, it clears dark spots on the skin. Okay, and this is how you are supposed to use it. After bathing and everything, you just dish small of the cream, apply it on the skin, massage it very well, and trust me, it's gonna lighten your skin for you very well. Okay, but then the side effect of not using this CaroWhite cream is that it gives you severe dark knuckles, especially if you are the type who works under the sun and you uses this cream and expose the skin under the sun. You are going to end up damaging your skin with severe dark knuckles, severe sunburn, and stretch marks. That's why it's not advisable for a dark skin person to use it, even not recommended for a caramel skin person. Okay, most people uses this cream in the night. So if you want to see a massive result on the skin, make sure you use it in the night, and make sure you use it carefully. You can mix it with vitamin E. You can mix it with any nice mild oil and use it on the skin. It's one of the trending creams so far, and it's one of the fastest whitening cream so far. So please, if you have ever come across CaroWhite cream, or you have ever used this cream before, you can share your review, you can share your testimony, and also you can please do well to subscribe to this channel. Turn on your notification so that anytime I drop a video here, you will be the first to receive a notification from me. And to my return subscribers, thank you for the support. Thank you for the love. I really love you so much, and I really appreciate you guys a lot. See you in my next video. All I want